Hello and welcome to LeadMaster Basic Training. Today we're going to look at how the database is structured and how the information is stored there within. Okay, so in simple terms, the database is broken down into three sections. We have what's known as accounts, okay, which are essentially companies, prospects, or customers. We have contacts who are naturally associated with those accounts. Okay, they can be standalone if you're working in a B2C environment. And what we have is a third option, which is opportunities. And opportunities are stored at the accounts level, and that is in simple terms, the product or service that you're looking at pitching to that company, customer, or prospect. Okay, so now we're going to drill into that a bit further. So if we click on accounts, it'll bring us into the entire accounts list in our database. Okay, and we've got some standard information on this screen. This screen is fully customizable, so you can put whatever fields you wish. For the moment, we're going to continue with this view, and we're going to drill into the company information. Okay, clicking through the company information brings up some contact information about that company. Okay, we've got the primary contact here, we've got some titles, we've got some address information, and some further contact information as well. Okay, we can see the contacts list, so we can see there's one contact for a company. This key dictates that this contact is the primary contact. Okay, we can add more if we wish, okay, by clicking on the add button. If we scroll down a little bit, we'll have a look at the profile summary section. This is what drives a lot of the activity and a lot of the reporting in LeadMaster, okay, because this tracks where this particular account is at in our pipeline. Okay, and our lead, we might track it by lead status, and you can have customizable drop downs in here. There might be a value associated with this particular account, and there might be some sales stages as well. You can also pull in some forecast information, and also some other information that could be used for data mining purposes. Okay, the next section I want to show you is the Express Checkbox Update. The Express Checkbox Update allows you to be able to tick these boxes, which will run some predefined actions. Okay, so if we were to tick the did not reach callback tomorrow option, for example, what would happen is after we tick it and click go, the system will pull in a note against this account saying that we could not reach it, and it will also automatically schedule a callback for the same time tomorrow. Okay, and that's just a real time saver when it comes to high volume call campaigns. Okay, these again are fully customizable, and we can use these tick boxes to run pretty much any action you desire. Okay, the custom forms and landing pages, this section looks after when we're capturing additional information that isn't stored at a primary contact level. What it's also useful for is we can store information that we capture outside of the CRM and bring it into the CRM. Okay, an example of that is if you have a form on your website, and it might be a contact or inquiry form, as soon as someone fills that out, we can store that in this account record. Okay, and that's really important because that gives us up-to-date information and allows us to data mine even further. Okay, the attached file section allows us to store collateral, terms and conditions, and other documents against this account. Okay, the profile assignments dictate who this account or record is assigned to. So we have account managers, which we use as our terminology. You guys might use sales managers, BDMs, reps. Again, that's all fully customizable. And there's a drop down here showing all of our account managers that we have. The partner rep option can be used if there's more than one person working the account, and we need to capture that information as well. Okay, I'm going to skip sales opportunity for a section. I'll come back to that. If we scroll down, we have a look at callbacks and appointments, and this is what allows you to manage activity against this record. So if we were to call back this person, we would schedule a callback event by clicking the add button, and this will bring up some information, and we can fill all these in, which will schedule an appointment when we specify. Okay, very similar to the reminders options and calendar events that exist with a lot of your email clients presently. Okay, if we scroll down further, we can see the sales reps and comments notes. Okay, so we can pull in some sales comments, which will store against the record, and it will update that record. So when we come back to it, we'll always have the up-to-date information. Okay, let's jump back up for a section to sales opportunity. Now, as discussed, sales opportunity is primarily used as the product or service or opportunity that you're looking to get out of this particular account. Okay, so each opportunity is different for different companies. So what we have is the ability to add those opportunities and customize them. You can click on add, and you can fill out the opportunity details. Okay, and again, as mentioned, these are fully customizable, so whatever you decide or whatever information you require here, we can put that in there for you. Okay, the solution details is what's important, because this is what generates the revenue reports and allows you to see how much value is in your pipeline. Okay, so if we select a solution here, we'll choose one of the options, we'll click OK, and this will actually pull in some price and some quantity information. Okay, so we can pull in some prices on the fly. We might have some numbers associated with it, and we might say the quantity is changed as well. Clicking on the recalculate option will actually calculate the value of that opportunity for us. Okay, what's really important about opportunities is that you can have multiple opportunities for the same account, which is really good, because if you're working with a lot of enterprise customers who have multiple contacts, then you're able to have multiple opportunities against each contact. Okay, I'm just going to cancel this opportunity for the moment because I don't want to save it. Okay, now if we scroll down, we can see the opportunity that was previously there is stored against the record. Okay, now guys, that completes the accounts, contacts and opportunities part of the training.